So I brought some wigs with me to Europe, right? And I left the wig glue, and I left the mousse and the spray to do my baby hairs. This wig is not so curled. Okay.
Hey fanatics, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Mel. I hope you guys are doing well. Today I am here to share Shensea's live performance in Croatia. If you are a true Shenseea fan, you would know by now that she is currently doing her European tour. Last night, she was at the Fresh Island Fest in Croatia. I personally think it was a good show. It was a great turnout, and she was dressed in full black. She had a lot of energy. She was working the stage, and she was also interacting with her audience. I'm not going to say much more. Watch this video for yourself and let me know what you think about it in the comment section.
So if it falls off tonight, mind your business, because love. No! Don't come too close to me either.
You have made it to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and tell a friend. Stay tuned for more videos. Peace. I'm out.